Hey everybody, this is Steve Chase here. We're going to look at how to import data from a website using Microsoft Excel. So first you're going to want to go to the Data tab and then select From Web. And in this example today, I'm just going to go grab some baseball data from Major League Baseball, MLB.com. And my goal is I'll get into Excel, then I would like to be able to update and refresh the new information straight from Excel going forward. So website MLB.com. Hit OK. What will happen next? It will navigate you to show you what is available, basically, to pull from that website. All right, so on the right, we've got table view, and table view, you'll just kind of have to just browse around, just start looking to see what exactly is possible to pull out in the form of tables. Okay. If you wanted to, you can go to web view, and web view kind of gives you just what's happening on this website here. Yeah. Okay. Now, in my case, let's say that I want two tables. I'd like to get table 5 and I'd like to get table 1. So I have to select multiple items. I'm going to grab table 1, table 5, and then from here I'll go ahead and click Transform Data. I recommend that because that's going to open up Power Query Editor on another window, and this is where you can name your tables. So table 1, I'm going to come over here and call that's NL East. And table 5 will be, oops, I made a mistake here, NL Central. I'm going to go rename, it's AL, American League. Okay. After you have done that, you can also come up here and click Choose Columns. Choose columns. Let's say you're presenting with like 50 columns. You don't need them all. You can come in here and just select what it is you want, Pretty neat. If you desire to change that later, you just come over here and you can go back and re-add it and so forth and all that good stuff here. Okay. After you're done, there's a button called Close and Load. Basically, that's going to save all of our changes we made and transformations, and there's a whole lot of other powerful tools in here where you can do really neat stuff here. But for this demo here, I'm just going to share with you how to just quickly grab data, transform it, close and load back to Excel. Discover the bottom, we have two worksheets based on the query names I called it before. And over on the right, it's loading the query editor. Taking a little time here. All right, here it is. Cool. Okay, so we got NL East, AL East, and then going forward, it's just a matter of hitting a refresh anytime you'd like for it to go back to the website you pulled from, update the record set as far as that goes, and then you'd have that ability to have it come in here. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful.